Imagine yourself sitting on the sidelines in the last quarter of the championship game. You can feel the tension in the air because there's less than 30 seconds left and the game is all tied up. Now, picture yourself being able to actually play in this game if you had only paid attention to the symptoms of lower back pain. Understanding what back pain is and how it can be prevented is important for living a long and healthy life. Hello everyone, my name is Tim Knoblock, and today I'll be covering what back pain is, some of its causes, how it can be prevented, and why it should be prevented. Now the reason I chose this topic is because about a week ago I was playing basketball with my friends after work, and I fell, hit my back, and it hurt a little bit, but I kept playing, finished the game, and then later that evening, as I was getting out of my car, there was a pop. And after that, I couldn't stand up straight and I couldn't walk around, so I had to go to urgent care. And it wasn't fun, so I want to help people out. Maybe they can prevent going through what I went through. So first, what is back pain? Well, some of the symptoms include a persistent aching, stiffness, sharp sporadic pain, constant pain that won't go away, spasm in your lower back that radiates all the way down to your feet, the inability to stand up straight without having a back spasm. Now, some of the major types are acute, chronic, and neuropathic. Acute is mild, and it'll go away pretty quickly, maybe even in a couple of days. Chronic is a pain that will stay, and it'll come and go, and it can take weeks or even months to get over. Now, neuropathic is the worst because it is where the tissue or the nerves are actually damaged, and those damaged nerves send incorrect signals to your brain, which makes you feel like you're having more pain than you actually should be. Now, a study has shown that over 80% of people in the US will suffer from some sort of back pain. So don't stress out too much if you start getting these symptoms. So next, what causes back pain? Injuries while playing sports or working out can cause back pain because sudden hits to your body or twists or jerking can cause breaks or fractures in your spine, which can leave people in the hospital for weeks, months at a time. If you work in a physically stressful job such as construction, package delivery, or stocking, where you're constantly moving, walking around, carrying heavy objects, that can also be an issue. Aging, it's a very common factor when it comes to back pain because over time the discs in your vertebrae will break down, which causes there to be less cushioning between the discs, so they'll grind together and they'll cause a lot of pain. Now, genetics is another factor. If your family has a long case of history with chronic back pain, scoliosis, arthritis, kidney stones, or similar medical conditions, then you'll be more prone to back pain. And also women that are pregnant, this causes increased stress on your back and fatigue, which if you don't take proper breaks or rest long enough, that can be an issue as well. So third, how can I prevent back pain? Well, regular exercise will keep your body healthy, and it will give your body the ability to heal itself from acute and common back pain. Now, smokers are always looking for a reason to quit, so good news for you. Medical studies have shown that tobacco users have an increased risk of back pain because there's an increased buildup of plaque, which causes a decrease in blood supply to small vessels. And those small vessels, they supply blood to the discs and bones of your spine. So over time, it takes away the spine's ability to heal itself, which again will cause the discs to grind together, and that's a lot of pain to have to deal with. Poor posture. If you stand up straighter, it will cause your body to be at less risk for back pain. Stress, one thing that surprised me is that stress causes muscles to tense and cramp, which over time can be a serious problem. So if you can have a more positive outlook on life and stay happy, that can help as well. So finally, why is it important for your future? Well, having back pain while you're young may seem like not such a big deal because you can heal from it pretty quickly. But as you age, your body can't heal itself as fast, so it can cause loss of mobility, and constant pain can also cause depression and a loss of reason for life. So if you're always hurting, you may just not want to do normal things, and you just may not want to live anymore. So that's why it's important for the future. So to sum it all up, Back pain isn't something that should be ignored. It affects the rest of your life and can cause physical and emotional problems. Now, remembering to use preventative measures, staying happy and stress-free, and stretching before strenuous activity can also help.